Ever wondered what the perfect camera for a YouTube creator might be? Today we're exploring the top 5 cameras of 2025 that could be your game changer. First up, the Sony ZV-E10 II, the ultimate vlogging camera. With its lightweight body, ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second and an AI auto-framing feature, it's the vlogger's dream. Next, we have the Canon EOS R7, the best mirrorless camera for creators. It boasts dual pixel AF, a 32 megapixel sensor, and an impressive image stabilization feature that ensures amazing image quality. Third on our list is the Panasonic Lumix GH7, the top cinematic camera. Offering 10-bit 6K recording, vlog support, and a powerful IBIS, it's a must-have for cinematic YouTubers. Our fourth recommendation is the ultra-compact and portable DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This mini gimbal camera offers 4K at 120 frames per second in slow motion and an active tracking feature. Last but not least, the GoPro Hero 13, the best action camera. With 5.7K at 60 frames per second, hyper-smooth 6.0, and rugged waterproof design, it's perfect for outdoor shooting. So, which camera caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.